How to reset message setting on your mobile device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards settings, go to application and go to app management. Simply search for message application. Once you do, tap on it, go to storage uses and clear the cache for this application. Clear also the data for message application, but make sure all the important message has been backed up. Then after, go to settings again. At the top in the search box, simply search for reset. Once you do, you will see the option of backup and reset. Simply click on reset phone and erase all the data. So that's it. That is how easily you can reset your message setting on your mobile. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.